Want to speak English confidently but don't know where to start? You're not alone. And the good news is, you can learn English step by step, no matter your level. Step 1. Start with the basics. Learn the alphabet, common greetings, numbers, and essential vocabulary like colors, days, and everyday objects. Use flashcards or language apps to make it fun. Step 2. Master pronunciation. Listen to native speakers through YouTube, English podcasts, or songs. Try repeating after them. Use free tools like Google Translate to hear how words sound. Step 3. Build simple sentences. Practice making basic sentences. I am happy. She is my friend. Focus on subject plus verb plus object structure. Learn simple tenses first: present, past, and future. Step 4. Practice listening and speaking. Watch kids' cartoons, English series with subtitles, or easy English videos. Talk to yourself in English or find a speaking buddy online or at school. Step 5. Read every day. Read short stories, comic books, or English news for beginners. Highlight new words and look them up. Try reading out loud to improve fluency. Step 6. Write to remember. Start a simple diary in English. Write about your day, your dreams, or your favorite food. The more you write, the faster you'll learn. Step 7. Learn grammar. Step by step, don't memorize everything at once. Focus on one rule each week: articles, plurals, prepositions. Then practice with examples. Tip: consistency is more important than speed. Practice every day, even 10 minutes. Ready to become fluent? Start today. Your future English-speaking self is waiting. Let's go.